Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is in the sequence of Accounting Hub Cloud, the next video, where we are going to demonstrate the accounting role mapping sets, right? So let's get started. This is basically the structure of accounting transformation of the accounting methods, like from the source system, like third party, uh, the application, and whenever we are just trying to integrate with the Oracle Cloud application. In that case, if we are making some changes or custom accounting, in that case, how the process or sequence would be from top to bottom or bottom to top approach that we can do. So in this case, in this figure, we can take a look on that. So all of these green boxes is showing that these all are the optional. If we are customizing some accounting rules, in that case, these all are uh, uh, the green colored are the optional one, and these two general line rules and account rule are the mandatory one, right? So it would be just after customizing these formulas or our accounting rules, it would be club up into the journal entry rule sets, and we need to link the journal entry rule set to the accounting method. After giving some custom accounting method name, we need to assign that method to the respective primary or secondary ledger, right? So what exactly is the mapping set? Because today we are demonstrating the mapping set part. So the mapping sets are used by the accounting rules to provide an efficient way to drive segment values or account combination values output from the from one to more source transactions or reference attribute values. Basically, whatever the we are inputting from the third party system or the source system, and what should be the output in our Oracle Cloud application. So that mapping is called mapping sets, right? See, for example, if we are, let's say, example, I'm just giving you an example of this. This is an example of external application billing system. We are taking the billing system example, where the input source, the production description, the hosting services, and the equipment rental and computer supplies. These all are the sources from where we need. This is the external application sources, and what we need to do if we want to show the different values into the Oracle Cloud application. In that case, we need to map these sources to the respective values, right? So if the input would be the external application, like as showing in the slide, the hosting services and equipment rental and computer supplies, etc. And then the respective values should be uh, represent in the Oracle Cloud application at the time of generating the accounting entry. So these mapping input and output. The left part is the external application would be the input part, and the output were the departmental segments. We are just taking an example of departmental segments. The hosting department, service department, and equipment rental department, and computer supplies department. These all are the department. Those are responsible for the different activities, right? So for that reason, we need to map the respective external application sources with the Oracle Cloud application values or account values, code combination, whatever the values we can take. So let's move to the application, right? Where we can, I'll show you how could we just configure this mapping set. Go to your setup and maintenance. And then select the offering Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub. Select the work functional area, which is accounting transformation, and select the configure accounting rules. This is a task that you need to select. So here I have posted one or interfaced a personal loan subledger application. This is the third external application. Select it and select the mapping set option over here. Here, you can see we don't have any mapping set as of now, so we need to create new one. Give the name, say for example, loan type. The short name should be in uppercase. Here, the output value, output type, what type of output you want in the Oracle Cloud application. Is it the account combination, the complete combination, or the segment value or value set, right? So account combination, that means the complete code combination. If you want to take as a source from the external system, and the output should be in the code combination form, or a particular segment. Segment is for a segment value. If you want to, like in our example that we have shown in the slides, uh, the one-to-one mapping we have done. So for different cost centers or departments, we have mapped one-to-one mapping. The value set, like if you are taking some value set, so that value set can be used for the values for that particular set we can use for the mapping, and that values would be picked up when the system is interfaced from the external system to intern, like Oracle Cloud Application System. So currently I'm taking the example of segment here, and then I need to just put the input sources. Personal event class, personal search. So rate loan type. I'm taking here the example for loan type. Click on apply and OK. OK. So we haven't select the value set, so don't need to any. There's no need to select any value set here. This is the input value. So we need to select the chart of account. So which chart of account uh, you want to select? Like the segment, we have selected the output type is segment, and from US chart of accounts values, chart of account structure, we need to pick a segment. Here in the third block, the US chart of account we have already been. So now the mapping should be done over here in the third part. But for this, we need to save this. Okay, I forgot to select a account. I have selected the segment account, and now, okay. Now we can just select the source value and create the input and output. You can see here we have the two columns, input and output. Say for example, loan type. I'm taking any value for this. Let me select value. Okay. Just for presentation, I'm taking this demonstration, this one, loan receivables. We can also take the sources receivable here. Okay. But it depends on the business requirement, whatever requirement would be, you can just select over here. The source would be from the third party, input would be this, and the output would be from the Oracle application chart of account structure. Segment value would be 13601 for this particular source. Okay. Adjusted loan. I'm taking another one, which is the adjusted rate. Let me take it. Okay. Okay, let's take any value from here. Mm, okay, I'm taking this one term. Any value I'm just taking up right away for the demonstration only. So this is how we can select the input value and the output value. The what exactly the meaning of input value? Input value is nothing. This is the third party or external system sources, and then loan type and whatever the type would be the loan receivable and registered rate, and then the output value from the Oracle Account Hub application. So from there, the value should be this. So this is the one-to-one mapping we have done, and then save it. It's done now. Okay, save and close. So you can see how this all mapping set we can configure in the system and we can use in the accounting rule, right? In the following videos, you will be able to see the how we can define the accounting rule and use this mapping sets over there. All right. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you have any, you will have any queries. So you can uh, just put in that query into the comment and let me know from where, which country you are just watching this video. Thanks.